Yes,
Hey!
What's he doing? Yeah. There.
Yeah. Is your mum and dad getting married today?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah. You ready for sleep? Ska du sova?
That's Auntie Mollin's task for the day.
Hold the baby.
Well, yes, get the baby to sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, on our way to the dinner.
Yeah. It was a really nice ceremony.
Yeah, I feel like you don't really see it when you got kids.
No, it was a bit chaotic. It's
Yeah.
definitely been non-stop.
It is, but it's lovely, it's fun.
Yeah, loads of fun.
So we're back on the road again, which feels super exciting. We've only been driving like an hour and a half today, I think. But at least we started the journey. So we are on our way to the west coast to pick my nose. So we're on our way to the west coast to pick Tom's dad and his wife up to spend a few days there with them. And it feels super nice and super exciting. And just fingers crossed that the weather will be all right. The west coast is very known for being rainy and cold. But then again, I guess that's what the guests are used to. They're coming from England, so no big change for them there, I guess. But anyway, it's been a long week since we last saw you. We've had the scan results and it's all clear, which feels amazing, obviously. It feels so nice to have that back and that everything looks good and that we're clear for another 6 months now, which feels really, really nice. They've also said that it sounds like I am struggling a bit more with my fatigue and my brain fog and these bits more than I should do. So I've got some meetings coming up where they're going to see if they can help me a little bit with that. But in the big picture, everything looks really good, which feels... It's such a relief. I have been building up in my head that they're going to find something and I've been prepping myself for what kind of summer this was going to be. So having those news was amazing. And the fact that I got the news on the Friday and we went to my brother's wedding on the Saturday made it all so much better because I could really enjoy the day and not have that in the back of my head, which was really nice.
Nice, Charlie. Great. Good job, dude.
Hello.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
We tried to cut a fish or something like up and can go down.
Oh, right. Nice little spot, this, isn't it?
It's beautiful. It would have been lovely if it was a bit warmer because it's not super warm.
No.
But the water is quite nice. So if it was hot in the air, you would definitely go for a swim.
Yeah, it's a really small lake there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I bet it warms up fast.
Yeah, it does feel nice. We can start with our feet in it.
Yeah. It's one of those spots that you can't see like how nice it is from when you park up.
Yeah, no, exactly.
You sort of walk down and it's like, oh, it's a massive park and a nice lake and stuff like that. So
Yeah,
Really good.
It's really good. We need to get one of those nets though, like ours broke.
Yeah.
I can't
Oh,
find
yeah?
it
A
now.
fishing net.
Yeah, exactly. Because you could definitely catch stuff here, just so the kids can look at them a little bit.
Yeah.
It's fun and educational.
Yeah.
To see stuff and like, so you're not scared of stuff and whatever. If you get to look at them in
Yeah.
the bucket or whatever for 3 minutes before you let them back in.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. We were talking about doing that because where we're heading, it's quite popular to catch crabs, isn't
Yeah.
it? So that's quite a nice thing. You catch crabs. I mean, obviously you let them go, you let them back, but
Yeah.
it's fun to like. Yeah, I don't know. I think it is nice for the kids. It's a nice activity, isn't
Yeah,
it?
exactly. So we're trying to catch stuff with a bucket now. So
Mama.
like that. They look like that.
Really? Is that what it is?
I don't know if it is these, but they look very much like this. They got legs and a tail.
What is it? A salamander?
Yeah.
Cool. Didn't know they existed in Sweden.
Yeah. Yeah, there's, look, one.
Oh yeah, there. Whoa, that looks a bit creepy actually, that one.
There's a big one coming there, next to it.
Cool. Must be a salamander then.
Yeah, because one of them that we saw was like really big.
Yeah.
Like, no, but like
Crocodile.
massive. Yeah. Don't swim in these waters.
I think it's cool when you see stuff like that.
Yeah, it's if you sit and just watch the water,
Yeah.
you see them like once every 3 minutes probably.
Right.
They're coming up and I don't know what they're grabbing, but it's stuff from the surface and they're like super quick. Look, one coming there.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're heading over to the west coast. We set off yesterday, and it's about 4.5 hours of driving. So we've given ourselves like a few days to get over there, just to take like an hour a day sort of thing. So it'd be really nice, won't it?
Yeah, yeah.
It's
It'll be lovely.
It's been a long time since we've been over to the west coast, and to this specific place where we go in, this little village type thing called Smögen. I've never been there. Apparently, it's really, really nice.
It's been many, many, many years since I've been.
Yeah. So we're going over to meet my dad and his wife, and yeah, just have a nice time.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be really good.
Yeah.
So it feels like a bit of a holiday for us, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Which is sort of what we need, really. It feels like we've been absolutely non-stop for a few
Since we got
weeks,
back.
really, since we got back.
Since we got back, to be honest, I don't feel like we've stopped since we got back.
No.
It's such a shock to the system to live the island life for 3 months.
Yeah.
And then you get back to like full speed, no rest.
Yeah.
Like it's been so intense. We've had so much to do and so much work on.
Yeah.
It's just been insane. So it feels nice to go and do something like this where we can focus a bit more on the kids and relax and just have a good time again.
Yeah, exactly.
Jag kunde cykla snabbt.
Nice job, mate. Does it feel good to be out on your bike? Nice. Good at it.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah. It's been sat in storage since before we left.
Yeah, I was going to say, only had a couple of weeks on it before we had to like remove it for the winter.
Yeah. Bless him.
And then he chose to have his old bike with him when we travelled, so it feels fun for him to use
Yeah.
this now. It's only so big and so heavy though.
It's the problem, isn't it?
But it's, if he wants a bike, he needs a bike.
That's it, exactly. Good job we've got a big van.
Yeah.
What's this weather about?
I know. It's
You
cozy though.
secretly loving it.
I do, I love it. Not for too long though, because these get bored. But we've
Yeah.
been out playing in the park and stuff this morning.
Yeah.
And now when it's raining, it's just, oh, it's so cozy.
I think you're a psychopath.
No. You can hear it in the,
Yeah.
ceiling. It's cozy.
It is
Mommy, I'll
raining so heavy.
I know.
It's insane. Thunder and lightning as well now.
And now it's so close as well, because
Yeah.
you can hear the thunder as soon as you see the light.
Yeah.
It's cozy.
Look at her, absolutely loving it.
Nice. Not all the time. Not for too many hours.
No, and it's like you said, we've spent all morning outside and the kids have had their run rounds and we've had some nice weather and stuff, so
Exactly.
TV and video games in the afternoon is not the worst thing, is it?
Maybe we get to sit down for an hour.
Really? That'd be nice.
Yeah, exactly. See? Coming over.
Cottoning on now. Oh, now I understand what's going on. It rained so much that we didn't get a chance to put out the blocks, eh, Charlie?
Yeah.
So we're leaning a bit, but it means that you've got a good little theme park for your cars, doesn't it?
Yeah. So I can park.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, me too.
Bloody typical, this, isn't it? We've not seen rain since we got back, I don't think, have we? Not proper rain, at least.
Not proper rain, not like this.
And then you head on over to the west coast, where apparently it always rains.
That's what you're known for.
That's what it's known for. It's like English weather, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we're not even there yet. We're not even over on the west coast, and it's already started. So we're gonna have a full week of rain now.
Probably.
Better not do. So also just wanted to say massive thanks to anybody who donated to my friend Nick's memorial page once again. I mentioned it a couple of times this month, but it is... Hear that thunder? Ooh. I was going to say it is Mental Health Awareness Month still. It's the last day probably when you're watching this. Mental Health Awareness Month in May. We've had loads and loads of donations to Nick's Mind page. So it is massively appreciated. So if you're one of them people that's donated, thanks very much. And if you feel like donating a little bit to Mind, which are a fantastic mental health charity, then I'll leave a link in the description below, and it will be as a sort of tribute to my friend Nick, who took his own life 6 weeks ago now, 8 weeks ago, something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
So yeah, it is massively, massively appreciated. Thank you.
Very much so.
And also from last week, by the way, if you liked the little sketch that we did for outing, where we got dressed up as cowboys.
Yes.
If you're the
great actors. Great actors.
Do you not think it's a new career in the making, isn't it? But massive thumbs up to you if you're one of the people that clicked on the link after you saw the ad, and super thanks if you were one of the people that bought one. So
yeah, thank you very much.
Massive thumbs up. It does help us out a little bit. That so
yeah, absolutely.
Really nice of you.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah, massively. So yeah, thanks very much for watching this one. Anyway, we'll leave it there amidst the rain.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next week on the West Coast.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Subscribe button.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and yeah, we'll see you next Friday.
See you next Friday.
Bye.
Bye.